Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a really quick walkthrough again of how to cite a source using the Scribbr generator to create your citation. Because I know we did it last week, but you might need a little bit of a review. So here I have my hypothetical source. It is an article from PBS. I am just using this as an example. This is not something you will want to use for your assignment today, just an example. And then also pulled up, I have Scribbr.com. When you're on Scribbr.com, make sure that you're at the MLA citation generator so that you're on the right page. You can get to that by clicking on citation tools and then MLA citation generator. Now I am going to be citing a website, so I will click website here. Then I will find the URL, which is right here. I will copy it and I will paste it underneath where it says website citation. Website citation. I don't know. There we go. And then you click the little search icon and your article should pop up. Double check that it's the same article that was already there. I will click that, and at that point my information should come show up in the boxes. Let me zoom out a little bit. The only thing that I have noticed that's missing is the author's first and last name. So I'm going to go back to the article and see if there is an author. Sometimes there is not, but in this case there is. There are actually 3 authors here, and we're going to put all of those authors in to make sure we give them credit. So we will go with the first one first. So her first name is Megan, last name is Thompson. I'm going to put that in. If yours also has multiple authors, you'll notice here that it says add author. If you only have 1 author, you don't have to worry about that. But since I have 3, I have a little bit more work to do. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to find the second author's name, Melanie Saltzman. So I'm going to put that in. Melanie Saltzman. And then the last author is, I think, Mark Bittman. Yes, Mark Bittman. Mark Bittman. Okay, I'm going to go make sure everything else looks good. That's the correct date at the top. Yep. Publisher, we already have PBS NewsHour in here, so I don't think we need, no, there's no extra publisher. So we're going to leave that blank and we're going to click Cite Source. And you will see that our source has popped up. We can just click on it. Like, I can see all mine from earlier in the week or last week. You can just click on it, it copies it, and then you should be able to paste it into your assignment, into a document, anywhere you need to paste that source. Let me just practice doing that right here. Paste. Oh, beautiful. You'll notice that instead of putting all 3 authors, apparently because there's more than 2, it says et al, which means and others. That's okay. That looks right. Alrighty, I hope this was helpful. Feel free to pause it as you're going through. Feel free to rewatch it if you need to. Just want to have this available to you guys for class today.